And I'm not in a big, huge rush or anything. And this is my project for right now, is just to get this ready for the next step. I don't care about anything else right now, okay? Don't let your mind go wandering like, oh, what else do I have to do today? This is going to take forever. And I'm doing that to feel for any knots that might be raised. And for any little bits of last minute glue or from the paint remover. There's a little something right there. It's not too bad. I'm just gonna take my knife or my chisel along there, clean that off. Now see, sometimes this doesn't necessarily get right into the corners. I can take my little throwaway paintbrush. Once over before I go down to the next step. I think I already did this edge pretty much. Oh no, it's got a nice gouge right here. So I can try to take some of the high bits off the gouge and then try to taper it into the rest of the edge. That way I don't have to move the gouge, or I don't have to chisel the whole edge of this step off. I want to take a little bit of it off so that this isn't as noticeable when I get ready to paint and stuff. You know, I might have to put a little bit of the rock hard water putty on that, kind of blend it in. This needs to go down a little. That way your eye doesn't go just to there. Oh yeah, there it is. You gotta taper in the rest of the area a little bit. Do it until you're satisfied. You know? If you're not happy with it all the way, do a little more. Do just a little bit more right in here. See, if the flat side's not gouging in as much, do the contoured side. Sometimes the contoured side, you'll think, oh wow, this is working actually better. That's because on the contoured rough, I don't use that as much as the flat. Now go back over it. Flat. Come back with the smooth. See? Smooth. Thicker. The gouge. This is so old. I should really get a new one, is what I should do. because I've used it so much, I've worn out the teeth more so. Here's the contoured, thicker, thinner. See, I really should get a new one of those. I probably should make a note of that next time I'm at the store. You know what, actually I think I do have one. I had one with my nail bag, and I couldn't get to my nail bag for a while, and so I had to go down to the store and get another one of these. And believe it or not, I bought this, I ended up buying this same one in a set. It came with all kinds of files and everything. It was like a 10 different things for about $2 more than if I were to buy this separate. And the other ones had files, and it had a little handle you could hook on to the end of a file, a rectangular, triangular file, round file, flat files. And I thought, I don't think I'm going to use those very often, but I thought, what the heck, it only costs like $2 more than this, and I got 9 other things. So again, I was buying stuff in bulk, and I might end up using the files once in a blue moon, and I just couldn't pass it up, given it was only a couple bucks more. Okay. Now even the painted one, the painted ones, I'm gonna just check that bottom edge. I want it nice and smooth. And okay, so it takes me 2 more minutes to finish this one step because I'm being mindful. Big wow. Now, this is your signature. See, I'm getting a little bit of stuff off of there. That's better. Liking that better. Now I can move down to the next step. Always checking things out. There's a knot right there. It's not that high, but it's there. And I don't have to have this perfect because I'm going to go over this with my rock hard water putty. But I want it flat. A little hand broom like this doesn't really get on the very, very inside corners. So don't throw your paintbrushes away. When you think they've met their life expectancy, go ahead and use them or a broom for a while. That's how we want it. That's how we want it. Don't forget to hit the bottoms. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.